Question number 10 then. So sine to the power of 4x. So whenever integration of sine to the power of 4x dx is asking you to find out here. Okay. So sine power 4x we are not having directly. And what to do in this case? Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. Wait. So here, this can be written as sin square x whole square, sin square x whole square dx, which is equals to, and sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. And here to simplification is 1 by 4 into a minus b whole square expansion. How to do 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. And again here cos square 2x you are having, and that cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So that also you simplify. 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2x, sorry. Yes, 2 into 2x. Okay, by 2. Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So into dx. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. You can do the integration directly also. So now here 1 by 4. The integration of 1 is, or you can take all the 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2. ये दोनों कांस्टेंट्स हैं. ये कांस्टेंट 1 plus 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2. So you can write it as a integration. So integration 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 4x by 2 dx. Now you can do the differentiation, or you can do here itself, integration. Here itself you can do the integration. Okay, so what do you get here? 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 into x. So we are going to get here 3 by 2 x minus cos 2x 2 into cos 2x integration is sin 2x. But the differentiation of 2x is by 2. By 2 later. So by 2 plus ये 1 by 2 will be as is, and cos 4x integration is sin 4x. So sin 4x by 4 dx. Okay. Plus dx is not here. Plus c. That's all. This is the final answer, or you can simplify it, or you can write it like this. If you want, you can simplify it. Simplification is 3x by 8 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 by 4 sin 2x. Like that you are going to get it. Did you understand here? Even in the same way, cos to the power of 4 2x is given to you. Cos to the power of 4 2x is given. Cos to the power of 4 2x is given means here 4x you are going to get. Here 8x you are going to get. But here same model problem, no difference at all. Okay, so let us move to the 12th problem, that is sin square x by 1 plus cos x. Integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x. Sin square x can be written as cos 2x. Oh no. So cos x, sin square x. How do you write this one? X by 2 cos square x by 2. Sin x 2 sin x by 2. Yes. you do like this here. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2. Sub-multiple angles used now. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. See here, all these identities should be, you should know that properly. So that mainly this one only, cos 2x formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x and 2 cos square x minus 1 or sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 और by 2 here x हो जाएगा, here by 2 here x हो जाएगा. 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. So now you can simplify this one. 2 square is 4 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 2s are. ये cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 2 sin square x by 2 dx. So this again 2 sin square x by 2 can be written as from there 2 sin square x by 2. Can you say 1 minus cos x 1 minus cos x integration करो. 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x है cos x इंटीग्रेशन is minus sin x plus c. समझ में आया? पूरा just they are all the identities only. Using the identities only you have to do it. So all these trigonometric identities you should know very well. So otherwise you cannot do it. Okay. Next. And multiple angles, sub-multiple angles, where do we use which one? By the practice you are going to get it. So 13th question, if you see that cos 2 x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. Cos c minus cos d apply करो. Cos c minus cos d is equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. First you इसको simplify करो, then after integration apply कर सकते हैं. You have to write this completely in the form of the sum form. इसको simplify करते हैं. Integration, then integration symbol every time it is first ये simplify करके minus 2 sin. Is it audible to you? Is it audible to you? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 sin cos c minus cos d is equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Using this one. And denominator may also same thing. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 x plus alpha by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So now we have minus 2 will get cancelled. And you are going to get sin x plus alpha on simplification. Sin x minus alpha by sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2 sin x plus alpha by 2. Now what to do here in this situation? Numerator if you see that by 2 it is not there. Denominator if you see that by 2 is there. So sin alpha can be written as sin x can be written as sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 फॉर्म में लिखना है तो sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So that we have to use. This is sin x man. So you can write it as a 2 sin x by 2 x plus alpha by 2 2 sin x cos x है ना cos 2 sin x cos x. So Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. That I am using here. 2 sin alpha plus beta, x plus alpha by 2, x plus only. Here also 2 sin x minus alpha by 2 cos x minus alpha by 2 divided by sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2. So now we have sin x plus alpha by 2, sin x plus alpha by 2, sin x 2 into 2, you are going to get 4. Again, it is in the form of the product form. It is in the form of the product form you are going to get. So what you can write here, this one, by 2 cos 2 side में ले लो 2 cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2. So this is can be written as cos x plus cos alpha 2 into cos x plus cos alpha, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is in the form of 2 cos c plus d by 2 c cos c minus d by 2. That can be written as cos c plus cos d. All are interlinked. If you are not, all these identities are not in your mind, you cannot understand anything. Here what you have used, cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. It is in this form, like this. So cos c plus cos d. Now see here, ये क्या है, डिवीजन फॉर्म में है, डिफरेंस में है, इसको सम फॉर्म में लेके आए. So now here it is an easy task to you. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx is equals to, what do you get? Integration of 2 into cos x plus cos alpha dx. Here last में बहुत ज्यादा लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं. So 2 into cos x integration is sin x. Cos alpha integration is, can anyone say? Integration of cos alpha. Integration of cos alpha. Don't know. x का सर वो कांस्टेंट है. Integration of some constant is nothing but integration of 2 dx is nothing but 2x. Integration of cos alpha is nothing but x cos alpha plus c. This is the final answer for that. Okay. Next, let us move to the next question. So that is also different only. See, all these problems immediately you try to complete it. Practice करना है. Try to do the problems without seeing. I am now explaining to you. Immediately after the class or after all the classes completed, then evening में यही problems without seeing try. If you get any doubt, then I will share the video to you. Then that you can watch it. But you are not supposed to copy it directly. So this is an advantage to you. 14th also a little bit different है. So cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x sin square x sin x plus cos x whole square cos x whole square आया है. d consider कर दिया. Yes, okay. Whenever you see that here multiple angle is there, sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x, and this can be written as 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x. पूरा x में convert हो जाएगा. Denominator you are going to get sin x plus cos x whole square आ जाएगा. Denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. That sin x plus cos x whole square you consider as a t. Okay. Then the denominator integration differentiation is will be the numerator. So simplification, how do you do? It's cos x minus sin x by sin sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now it can be written as cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x wholes. Now इसका integration dx इधर ही देखो, integration of dx, integration of dx. So let sin x plus cos x is equals to t. Sin x differentiation minus cos x. Cos x, sorry. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x minus sin x dx is equals to t. So sin x minus cos x dx is equals to minus dt. So this is minus dt. Oh, sorry. Cos x minus sin x only there, na? Cos x minus sin x only there in the numerator. In the numerator, whatever it is there that is required to us. So it is equals to dt by t square. So what is that integration of the 1 by t square? Minus 1 by t plus c. So which is equals to minus 1 by t. What you have considered? Sin x plus cos x plus c. Minus 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the final answer for this. Okay? समझ में आया? Now here onwards the problems will be completely based on the problems. If you observe that you need to change the into trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities only. Trigonometric identities के साथ substitution भी करना पड़ता है here. So these all the problems will be based on that. In the even 15th problem also you can do that. I think so. कर सकते हैं नहीं है? Yes, you can do. It is not very difficult to you to do. I think so. 17th problem next. 17. So the question is given to you: sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x. It looks like a very difficult problem, but it is not very difficult. Simple problem. Sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. Here, after seeing that, most of the students will get confused that numerator is in the form of the a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube apply करना है. No need of apply. Just split the denominator. Denominator is in the form of the product. Product form में. इसको split कर. So sin cube x by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. Cos square x cube cancel, sin square x cube cancel. Sin x will be left over. So ये numerator में लेके. So you can write. Yes, ये सर denominator में cos square x है ना. 1 cos x को numerator में लेके. So secant x into tan x होता है. Sin x by cos x. Secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x tan x is equals to secant x plus cos x by same cosec x cos x cosec x cot x dx. Integration of secant x dx is equals to secant x minus cosec x plus. Problems looks like a very difficult but not difficult. It is easy only. Okay, समझ में आया? So even 18th problem you can do. 19th problem you have to consider numerator में 1 है ना, that you consider as a sin square x plus cos square x. So if you consider it as a sin square x plus cos square x, then you are going to get the required solution. 20th problem, yes, थोड़ा सा different है. Cos 2x by sin x plus cos x whole square. वो भी कर सकते हैं. Cos 2x by cos x plus sin x बोले तो cos square x minus sin square x cos x plus sin x. Okay, let's take it. 20th problem. Problem number 20. So what is the question given to you here? Integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. Numerator can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is nothing but cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. So cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x हो जाएगा. Yes. This problem can be done in 2-3 different ways here. See here. This can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. ये भी 2-3 तरह का कर सकते हैं. Cos x plus sin x whole square. So a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So what do you get here? Cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. Trigonometric expressions को simplify करना, otherwise you cannot do it. Whole square. So plus and a cancel. So what do you get here? Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. इसको t मान से consider करो. Let cos x plus sin x is equals to t. Differentiation of the cos x is equals to minus sin x. Minus sin x plus cos x is equals to dt dx. So ये पूरा numerator वाला dt हो जाएगा. dt by t is equals to logarithm of mod t plus c, which is equals to logarithm of t. What you have considered sin x plus cos x. समझ में आया? Or you can, if you want to do the problem, can be expand करके भी कर सकते हैं. If you want to do expansion, यही problem, yes, you can do it, but both are same only. Not ये थोड़ा easy होता होगा. Integration of cos 2x by up a plus b whole square expand करना. A square. So sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So okay, 2 sin x cos x dx is equals to integration of cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Denominator 1 plus sin 2x you consider as a t. 1 plus sin 2x is equals to t. The differentiation is 2 cos 2x is equals to dt. So cos 2x dx is equals to dt by 2. So we are going to get 1 by 2 of dt. 1 by t dt. So which is equals to 1 by 2 of logarithm of mod t plus c. 1 plus sin 2x. Both answers are same. पता है कैसे? So here मैं two ways में बोल रहा हूँ. That doesn't mean that I am saying in the 2 ways means कभी भी कुछ भी आंसर आ गया तो गलत कर दिया तो सपोज यू मे थिंक दैट पीपल ये भी आंसर हो सकता है बोल के ऐसे आप छोड़ देते हैं. नो, बोथ आर सेम. फाइनल आंसर इज सेम हियर. इफ यू सी हियर दिस कैन बी रिटन एज sin x plus cos x whole square. उस होल स्क्वायर इधर लेके आए तो 2 get cancel. So you are going to get the same thing. 1 by 2 of logarithm of sin x plus cos x whole square plus c. ये स्क्वायर इधर आ गया 2 by 2 1 लास्ट में आंसर सेम both. It looks like a different but the final answer is same. Okay, did you understand here? ये समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Both can you differentiate between the both the problems? ये दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स में बीच में डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं ना? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
So next this question is given to you, sine inverse of cos x. Sine inverse of cos x. So how do you do it? 21st problem. What is the point? How do you do that 21st problem? Do you have any idea? Sine inverse of cos x. Cos x dx. Sine inverse of cos x dx. चलो try करो. Is it possible to you? What to do? What to do? This can be written in other way. How? Sine inverse of sine cos x. Cos x you try to write in the form of the sine. How do you write? Can we do like this? Suppose cos x is equals to t man. You consider. So what do you get? Sine in the form of sine. HCA. Opposite by, sorry, adjacent by hypotenuse. This you are going to get 1 minus x square. So therefore, what do you get? Sin x under root of 1 minus x square. Sorry, 1 minus t square. T consider करनी है ना? Sorry, t. 1 minus t square under root of sin x is equals to. But we need here cos x in terms of sine. Inverse trigonometric ratios, if you know properly, then you can do this problem. Cos x in the form of sine you have to write. How do you write? Because sine inverse it is there. This can be done in different ways. Okay. So one to avoid the confusion, let us do one thing here. First, let cos x is equals to t. Therefore, what do you get? Sin x. Cos x equal to t consider कर लिया. So what do you get? Sin x. Sin x is equals to under root of 1 minus t square आ जाएगा. Okay. Just now we did ना sin x is equals to under root of 1 minus t square आ जाएगा. So for this here, ऐसा थोड़ा लेंथी होता है प्रॉब्लम. dx is equals to okay, let it be. So you do one thing. We are considering this implies that sin x is equals to under root of 1 minus t square. Okay. So now here differentiate this with respect to x. When you consider the differential, so sin x differentiation is equals to minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x dx. This is equals to dt. So dx is equals to dt by minus sin x. So sin x is equals to dt by minus dt by under root of 1 minus t square. समझ में आया? sin x ये sin x इधर लिख दिया. Inverse trigonometric functions, if you know that cos x expressing in terms of sine, if you know that, the problem can be solved in easiest way. Still more easiest way. So you can substitute here. So what do you get here? Sine inverse of x plus में t, dx plus में minus dt by under root of 1 minus t square. So what do you get here? Minus sine inverse of t by under root of 1 minus t square dt. Denominator whatever it is there, that you consider as a, इसका differentiation ये है, sorry, इसका differentiation ये है, sin inverse t का differentiation 1 by under root of 1 minus t square. So you can consider again one more consideration can be done. Let sin inverse t is equals to some other variable. what do you consider? K. Some K considered. Any other variable can be taken. So sin inverse differentiate 1 minus t square dt is equals to dk. So इसमें substitute कर लिया तो ये k consider करें. K dk. This is k. dt by 1 minus under root of t square is k. So k dk is nothing but k square by 2 minus k square by 2 plus c. So k क्या है? What is k here? Sin inverse t. Sin inverse t whole square by 2 plus c. But t में नहीं लिखना. The function should be written in the form of the x. So sin inverse t is equals to what do you get? In the form of x. X में लिखना है. t is equals to क्या है? cos x. You replace this one sin inverse of t by the x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay? समझ में आया? R the problem can be ये इतना लेंथी हो गया. The problem can be done in another way. Simple if you are wish to take. Here sin inverse of cos x, here it is given to you. And you can write that sin inverse of cos x can be written in the what way? You know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. So from that you can write that sin inverse of cos x is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of cos x. Can we write pi by 2 of okay? ये इधर भी लिख सकते हैं. ये पूरा करने से अगर डायरेक्ट ये भी कर सकते हैं. See, problem is in different ways you can do it. Same problem can be done. Simple ये ले लो sin inverse of cos x can be written as pi by 2 of cos inverse of cos x. So that is nothing but you will get pi by 2 minus x. ये लास्ट में इधर भी लिख सकते हैं. So what do you get here? Suppose ये इधर लिख दिया है. See pi by 2 minus x whole square आ जाएगा. So the easy way the problem solving is instead of doing all this completely, the easy method is simply you write that as a pi by 2 minus x. So therefore, if you replace this one here also the same solution you are going to get. ये इधर replace कर लो. minus 1 by 2 of here क्या होगा pi by 2 minus x whole square plus c. इसको expand करो. So what do you get? minus 1 by 2 of pi by 2 minus x whole square. So pi by 2 minus x whole square is nothing but pi square by 4 minus pi x. Is it visible to you? Plus x square plus c. So ये constant है. इधर x term है. पूरा constant है. Suppose that's what I am saying. Instead of doing all this, simply you write the sin inverse of cos x as a integration of sin inverse of cos x dx. ये sin inverse of cos x can be written as pi by 2 minus x dx. ये कितना simple है देखो. Then what do you get here? Here you are going to get pi by 2x. Here you are going to get pi by 2x. minus x square by 2 plus c. देखो ये और ये दोनों सेम आंसर. ये दोनों कैसे सेम आंसर होगा सर? सी हियर ये कांस्टेंट है. ये कांस्टेंट सॉरी pi by 2. हाँ यस सेम आंसर होगा. देखो इसको ये कांस्टेंट है ना minus 1 by 2 है ना. This is visible to you. संतम.
Yes sir.
ये minus 1 by 2 है ना.
Yes sir. It is very much clear.
ये पूरा कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा. minus 1 by 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो. So pi x by 2 हो जाएगा. और -1/2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, -x²/2 हो जाएगा, प्लस कांस्टेंट. सो सी हियर दिस वन एंड दिस वन बोथ आर सेम, 5/2x². सो द इजी सॉल्यूशन इज ये यूज कर लिया है sin इनवर्स ऑफ x. एट एनी कॉस्ट यू हैव टू यूज दिस वन. सो ये इतना लेंथी हो गया प्रॉब्लम if you are doing. So directly you use it as a sin inverse x. You can write this problem like that and the final solution is that one. ये पूरा जरूरत नहीं. Yes, this is also can be do, but I am saying to you that both gives the same solution. If you do like that, finally you have to replace it. ये solution लिख के छोड़ दिया है, then गलत नहीं है. But इसको फाइनल में रिप्लेस कर दिया तो यही आंसर आ रहा है. दिस आंसर देखो ये इतना सिंपल में हो गया सेकंड मेथड में. सो टू मेथड्स आर नीडेड, मींस यू नीड टू नो दैट. रिप्लेस कर लिया तो व्हाट यू गेट. सो इफ यू आर डोंट नो दैट देन द प्रॉब्लम्स बिकम्स वेरी लेंथी. सो द सिंपल सॉल्यूशन इज 5/2x plus 5/2x minus x²/2. Okay, did you understand here? And 22nd problem, very important problem examination point of view, and generally ये थोड़ा सा different problem भी है. Okay, ये problem समझ में आया? 2 स्टेप वाला problem है सेकंड मेथड. That is better you do. ये देखो इतना घुमा के कर लिया problem. Finally answer वही आ जाएगा. If you do any way, in any way. If you do in any way, the final answer is the same. Okay, so 22nd problem देखो. Integration of 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Secant x minus a, secant, no, not like that. What can be done? Yes, you do it here. Sin x minus a, sin a, sin c minus sin b, 2 sin c plus b. Yes, sin x minus b, sin c minus sin b, 2 sin c plus d by 2. C minus d by 2. No. Sin C, sin A minus B आ जाएगा. Sin A minus B नंबर 1 by sin A minus B. Sin x कैंसिल कर दिया तो. Yes, हो गए. 1 by sin a minus b, dividing कर रहा हूँ. I am dividing this by sin a minus b by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Now here what can we do? X minus a, x minus b is there. Numerator में x minus a, x minus b आने के लिए ट्राई करना है. So 1 by sin a minus b into here I will write it as a x minus a minus x minus b. No, x minus b minus x minus a by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Now if you see here sin a minus b form में numerator, sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin a. Okay, so that you apply, so that the solution you are going to get. Numerator, what do you get here? Sin a minus b. Sin a minus b is nothing but sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. ये दोनों को डिवाइड करो, tan में आ जाएगा, tan वाला you know that 1 by sin a minus b into this you are going to get sin x minus b into cos x minus a divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos x minus a into sin x minus b by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Okay? So now what do you get here? Cos x minus a, cos x minus a. Cos x minus a, cos x minus a. So what do you get? Sin x minus b by cos x minus b. Sorry, we did something wrong. Sin a minus b, sin. Oh, sorry. Sin a minus b is nothing but cos a sin b. Na? Sin a minus b formula. Sin a minus b is equals to sin. Say it. Right. X minus b. Either x minus b. Something. Sin x minus b. Right. Cos x minus b. Tan x minus b. Cos x minus c. Oh, here we did this. Cos a is nothing but either a hoga. Why? Because you are going to get this one 0 na. From that you will be able to identify. Here x minus b and here x minus a. So you are going to get cancel cos x minus b, cos x minus b cancel. So now what do you get here? 1 by sin a minus b integration of this is tan x minus b minus tan x minus c. So tan x formula क्या है? Integration of tan x is equals to integration of tan x equal logarithm of log of secant x. So you can write it as a 1 by sin a minus b into logarithm of secant x minus b minus logarithm of secant x minus a plus c. So log a minus log b can be written as log a minus log b log a minus b. So you can write this one into the form of is equals to 1 by sin a minus b into logarithm of secant x minus b by secant x minus a plus c. Secant में लिखना है तो secant में लिख सकते हैं, cos में लिखना है तो the final answer can be given in the form of the cos also because the answer question is given to you in the form. Cos बोले तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, so cos x minus a by cos x minus b plus c. You can consider this as a one identity, one formula for the JEE exam purpose. 1 by cos x minus a, 1 cos x minus b dx is equals to directly 1 by sin a minus b. You remember, try to remember this one. 1 by sin a minus b into logarithm of x minus a by x minus b. Like that 1 by sin x minus a into sin x minus b क्या होगा? You can try that one. You will get, you can extract the formulas also. Okay, so the next 24th problem little bit different here. 24th, what is given to you? E power x into, I'll explain to you 24th problem, then after we will complete. With that we are going to complete the exercise. 23rd is very simple here. I am not going to explain to you. 23rd is you can do it. ये समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Is there any disturbance to you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear? Okay. 24th question is given to you. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square e power x. Cos square e power cos square e power x into x दिया है. ये तो सिंपल है. What to do? What to be considered here? E power x into 1 plus x to be get as a numerator. Numerator में क्या है वो हमको e power x consider करो. Simple problem है. E power x into x you consider as a t. UV method में differentiate करो. E power x into 1 plus x into e power x dx is equals to dt. ये भी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, नॉट डिफिकल्ट, बट आइडिया नया है. ये इज इक्वल्स टू dt के ऊपर dt है पूरा, dt by cos square t, so is nothing but secant square t dt. Secant square t dt is nothing but tan t, tan t plus c, which is equals to tan into e power x plus c. Okay, समझ में आया? In this exercise, if you know the trigonometric identities only, then you can solve it. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay? So complete the notes. Notes complete करो and practice करो. That is very important. Okay?